Hey guys, welcome back to Apple Leaves. There is no secret that to find a dairy-free dessert is kind of a challenge, but who doesn't want to treat themselves? Today we will make a cake that is vegan, gluten-free and no bake. Furthermore, it's super easy and incredibly delicious. I'm sure you will love it. So let's begin. For the crust you're gonna need a half cup of raw almonds, 1 cup of pitted dates, a third cup of coconut flakes, a quarter cup of ground flax seeds, 2 tablespoons of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/8 of a sea salt. In a small bowl, add dates and cover them with the warm water. Let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, add almonds and coconut flakes to the food processor. Cover with the lid and process until coarse meal. Then add all the remaining ingredients for the crust: ground flax seeds, dates, almond milk, cacao powder, agave syrup and salt. Cover it and blend again until all well incorporated. Add more almond milk or agave syrup if needed. You will get the crust like this. Use a brush or spray a little bit of avocado oil or coconut oil on the cake pan in order to get cake out easily. Transfer dough into the cake pan and press it with your hands. Try to make the layer evenly thin all the way around. For the second layer you're gonna need 1½ cup of pitted dates, a half a cup of almond milk, a third cup of peanut butter, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Again soak the dates in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the soaked dates and transfer them to the food processor. Add almond milk, peanut butter, salt and coconut oil. Cover with the lid and blend for a couple of cycles, so the dates blend well. Spread the salty caramel layer on the crust. Use spatula to make this layer even and thin. For the top layer you're gonna need 1 cup of light or full-fat coconut milk, a half a cup of chopped dark chocolate or chocolate chips, a third cup of almond butter, a quarter cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Heat the coconut milk until it starts to bubble and add it to a bowl. Add all the ingredients and whisk very well so all chocolate pieces melt. You are free to add more chocolate if needed for richer consistency. Pour it onto the caramel layer. Make sure the chocolate layer is spread evenly. Refrigerate the cake a few hours or even better overnight. Top with any fruit and berries you like. Here I'm using kiwis, raspberries and coconut flakes. But really, any fruits and berries would taste just great. You can freeze this cake if you want more firm texture. Enjoy this cake with your friends and loved ones. A cup of hot tea or coffee is a perfect combination to warm your soul. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye!